Get ready for a dominating gaming laptop. Introducing the MSI Titan GT77, packed with power, style, and cutting-edge features like our CHERRY MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches. In this video, we'll showcase all the features that make this laptop stand out and show why it's the perfect choice for gamers and professionals. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. One of the standout features of the MSI Titan GT77 is its ultra slim form factor, measuring at just 0.9 inches and weighing in at only 6.83 pounds. But don't let its slim profile fool you. This laptop packs a punch with its powerful components, including up to an Intel-Core i9 12900HX processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. These components, along with the 17.3-inch UHD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, provide a seamless gaming experience that impresses even the most demanding gamers. However, heat is always a concern when it comes to powerful components and intensive gaming. But the Titan GT77 has got you covered with its revolutionary Cooler Boost Titan system. This advanced cooling solution features 4 fans, 7 pipes and 6 exhausts that help to maximize CPU and GPU performance efficiency. This allows you to easily take on any intensive application or game without having to worry about your laptop overheating. The Cooler Boost Titan system helps in efficient heat dissipation and keeps the temperature low to perform flawlessly. The MSI Titan GT77 also offers memory and storage options that provide ample space to run your most demanding applications and games. The laptop has 4 sets of expansion memory slots for DDR5 memory that can reach a total capacity of 128 GB, with a maximum theoretical transfer rate of 6.4 gigabit per second. This memory capacity is just like a desktop, and it's perfect for gamers who need high-speed performance and professionals who need to run multiple programs simultaneously. In terms of storage, the Titan GT77 is designed with 4 M.2 SSD slots, which enables you to have a high speed and massive storage space of up to 8 terabytes. This is more than enough for you to store all of your games, files and media. This laptop's ability to have this much storage in an ultra slim form factor significantly improves mobility and makes it more efficient and expansive. Please remember that the actual memory and storage options vary based upon the configuration. In other words, the MSI Titan GT77 combines the best of both worlds: a sleek and a stylish design with cutting-edge technology and powerful components, all while keeping things cool and quiet. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games or working on demanding applications, this laptop has got you covered. And with a massive 99.9 watt-hour battery, you'll be able to game for hours without stopping for a recharge. But that's not all. The Titan GT77 also features MSI Mystic Light RGB lighting, which enables different modes and styles, letting you customize the look of your laptop to match your very own style. Also, the keys feature single key RGB backlighting for even more customizability. So the MSI Titan GT77 is a truly high-end gaming laptop that boasts a range of advanced features, and the keyboard is no exception. To enhance the user experience, MSI has included the award-winning CHERRY MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches. These switches offer a fully mechanical keyboard in a slim format, ensuring reliable and precise actuation even after millions of keystrokes. The CHERRY MX Ultra Low Profile Tactile switches have tactile feedback when pressed, similar to the CHERRY MX Brown switches. However, they do not have an audible click, making them suitable for quiet environments. The activation point of the switches is at 0.8 mm with a force of 65 cm. The total travel is 1.8 mm with an ergonomic over travel of 1 mm. So what sets these switches apart is the integrated gold crosspoint contact system. This technology and an extra thick gold coating guarantee exceptional durability, precision and actuation quality. All CHERRY MX switches, including the ultra-low profile Tactile, are designed and made in Germany and are subject to strict quality controls for maximum reliability. In conclusion, the CHERRY MX ultra-low profile Tactile switches on the MSI Titan GT77 offer a perfect blend of precision, durability and ergonomics, making it an ideal choice for gamers and professionals alike. So whether you're a hardcore gamer looking for the ultimate gaming experience or a professional looking for a powerful and stylish laptop, the MSI Titan GT77 is a great choice. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, it's sure to turn heads. So let us know in the comments what you think about the MSI Titan GT77 and if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover in the future. Until then, take care.